Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to make $2,000 a day, guys. Oh my goodness. It may sound a little bit too good to be true, but actually it is very possible online with a certain business model that I'm going to show you right now. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how you can earn $2,000 a day with affiliate marketing, okay guys? It is very possible to use the business model of affiliate marketing to earn such commissions. So what is affiliate marketing for those who don't know is that you, now think about how you can make money online at all, okay? Unless you are going on those little sites to, do surveys and whatnot, you can earn a buck here, earn a buck there. But if you talk about big money like $2,000 a day or a few $100s a day, how do you think you can earn such an amount of money? And that is either selling your own products. And if you don't have your own products, what's the next best thing? You promote other people's products. So if you don't know that there's a business model that's possible for this is the video for you, because now you're going to learn about how affiliate marketing works, okay guys? And this is a very powerful business model that you can use, and it's going to be a business that you can build long-term and make a full-time online income doing such a business, okay? So for the example I'm going to show you today, this is just one example, guys, okay? And whatever topic that you want to go into for this business model, you can, okay? It's not, my one example is only just a very, very tiny part of what's available out in the affiliate marketing world, okay? So I'm going to show you this one site, and it's the Shopify affiliate program, okay? Now, if you click on the second link here, it's going to go to this site called Shopify. And what Shopify is that there are going to be lots of people who wants to make their own online shop, okay? And if you can refer people who want to make their own shop to Shopify to host their shop on Shopify, then you can earn big money, okay? So what is the big money that you can earn? So take a look at this, okay? Empower your audience. Get support from Shopify every step of the way. So commissions, okay? So in affiliate marketing, you are promoting other people's products to earn commissions. And there's tons of brands and companies like Shopify. So you're going to go into a topic that you really like, or you're going to find companies and brands in that topic that you really love. And then you're going to look for affiliate programs that those companies have. And you're going to look at how much money that you can earn from those programs, okay? So like this program, if you refer people to one of their paid plans and they start using the platform and building their online store, you're going to get $58 on average for each user that you're going to get signed up. Now, this is only per user, so it's not recurring or anything like that. It's a one-time. So if somebody signs up for a pay plan, that's it, you're going to get the $58, okay? Whatever plan they sign up, it doesn't matter, because you're just going to get the 58. You're not going to get a percentage of the plan that they signed up for. Now, this is because this affiliate program is like that. You got to look at every single affiliate program, okay? Every single affiliate program is constructed differently, all right? This particular one doesn't give you recurring commissions, but other affiliate programs will allow recurring commission. So guys, if you guys are interested in more high-paying affiliate programs, just wait till the end of this video. I'm going to link another video that talks about the 10 high-paying affiliate programs there, okay? So watch out for that. And then here, this is where you can earn $2,000 a day by referring each plus referral, okay? So if you could get a plus member going into their plus program, then you could earn $2,000 for each of those members, guys, okay? Or each of those referrals that you get in there. So how do you promote affiliate products though, okay? Once you find the affiliate product that you want, or first of all, you gotta find the topic that you want, okay? So once you find the topic that you want and you find the company or brand that you want to promote the products for, then you're gonna need a way to promote, okay? So how are you gonna promote? And the way you want to promote is you are trying to find the people who are searching for a solution, okay? And you're gonna find those people who are looking for a solution to their problems, and you're gonna present whatever you want to promote as the solution to the problem. And once those two meet, you make a commission, right? So if they click on your affiliate link and go buy what you're recommending, that's how you are going to make money, okay? But the best way to learn how to do affiliate marketing properly is really using an affiliate website, because what happens is that that's how you are going to find people who are searching for things. So think about it this way, okay? Whoever has a problem and looking for a solution, what is the first thing they do? They're going to go on Google and search, right? Yeah, so why do you want to be have an affiliate website then? It's because the affiliate website can be ranked on those search engines, that can show up on those search results when somebody is searching for a solution. And that is very, very powerful if you know how to get your website to show up on Google's search results when somebody is searching for a solution. And that's why I have built my website, workanywherenow.com, guys, okay? This website helps other people find solutions to make money online, because they go on the internet and they search for things to find out how to make money online, and my site will show up on these search results, and they come on my website and they read about how to make money online, and then they take my recommendation and go and try it out. If they go and try it out and they actually pay for a plan, then I make a commission. You know, guys, I did not know how to build this, okay? I did not know how to build this on my own. I had to go to some place like this to learn properly how to build an affiliate marketing business. Now, Wealthy Affiliate is one of my favorite platforms to show people, because they are in the business of educating and training people to build an affiliate marketing business using an affiliate website. So if you want to use this method to build your affiliate marketing business, which is a very, very long-term sustainable business to build, I really suggest that you try Wealthy Affiliates Training, because that's where I started in 2016 to build workanywherenow.com. As you can see here, you can see that inside on my profile, you can see that this website is actually a success story on the platform, okay? They trained me so well that I became a super affiliate with my website. So you can see all that, okay? So if you sign up, you can sign up for free, guys, okay? No credit card required. So you could sign up to check it out. But of course, you're not going to get the full training if you're going to sign up for free. If you really want to learn something, guys, there's no free information out there that will give you the complete information that you need, okay? Anything free is going to be missing some key points, okay? So when you go on Wealthy Affiliate, it's going to be free so that you can check it out. So you'll see the training is totally legit. It's step by step. It has videos, it has text, it has tasks for you to do so that you are building your website bam, 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 according to the perfect blueprint that you're going to be building it with, okay? This is the exact training that I use to build my website that makes me a full-time online income, guys, okay? And guess what? If you use my affiliate link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, I will be able then to coach you on the platform for free, okay? This is something that I offer all my referrals on the platform so they can learn with confidence that there's somebody that they can turn to ask questions, okay? Now, being in the online space, guys, support is huge. It's a huge, huge thing that you will really, really need. And this is why I offer this service for free. I want to help you succeed for free, okay? So you can actually sign up for free and check out my profile, and you'll see the blogs on my profile because I document my entire journey on there, guys. And you can see how much money I've been making. And of course, disclaimer is that my results are not typical and that your results will vary, and my full income disclaimer is in the video description. Okay, guys? So go ahead and use workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama if you want to learn about affiliate marketing and really dive into this business model. It's really changed my life, guys. And Wealthy Affiliate, I've met the owners, guys. I go to Vegas. They pay me to go to Vegas to meet with them so that I can learn more about how I can help more people to come to Wealthy Affiliate to build their online businesses, guys. The owners are top-notch, and they've been in business since 2005, guys. So this is not a fly-by-night operation. You can know that Wealthy Affiliate is going to be there for you. They've been there for a long time already, and I've been there since 2016, and I just renewed again for my 4th year. So I'm going to be there to help you, so don't you worry about that. So again, workanywherenow.com/Team Littlemama, and for convenience, I'm going to link it up here as well for your convenience, so you can just click it. Okay, guys? I hope you really liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video, guys. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe to my channel. All you gotta do is click that free badge down there in that corner, guys, okay? And don't forget, hit that notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out, because I don't know when they come out, guys, okay? But I come out with videos every week, so I hope I see you on the next video, guys. Bye!